Okay. So what have you tried? What have you tried to make this not happen? Nothing.
I just sort of try to ignore him when he's doing it.
Oh, or for me, it's like if I'm lighting the fire,
or give him
I'll
something
give
to
him
chew on.
Okay.
That's right. Give him something to chew on.
Okay,
And
that's a good choice.
That's mine.
That's right.
Now,
That is what we
the fiddle? Do you have a fiddle?
Yeah.
You want to bring it out?
Sure.
I can also try it with.
Well, no, yeah.
Whatever sounds make him insane. That's what I want to see.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
The camera did. He didn't used to care about this much, but all of a sudden,
No, he still doesn't. It's just.
all right, he's good.
Good. Very nice. Good job.
He's good man, but the fiddle, the camera. Let's try the camera.
What can we do to make the dog crazy?
Yeah.
Bear in mind that he's not reacting to it because he's also
Thank
in a lower place right now, right?
Yeah.
In a calmer place.
Let's take some pictures. Good job. Thank you, Lee. Nice boy. Good job.
Those liver is just too good.
Let's take some more pictures, buddy.
Well, it's changed his emotional state, right?
Yeah.
That's what has happened.
All right.
Okay, anything else? So you must have the fiddle.
So let's do the fiddle.
Let's do it. So what I'm doing right now is actually charging the clicker, which means I'm pairing something pleasant with the sound. So we actually want this click to mean that a treat's coming. So the sound should be pleasant for him.
Yeah, like that clicker means what it's supposed to mean. That clicker, he expects a treat from.
Wow, that's lovely.
Oh yeah.
Oh, so you just counting.
Leaf.
Yep, go ahead.
Leaf. And do you see? See how one feeds on the other? The other's energy?